Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're on a mission to turn you into banana growing ninjas. That's right, we're diving into the top 5 mistakes people make when growing bananas and, more importantly, how you can avoid them. Now, I'm not talking about just getting a few measly bananas on your plant. We're talking about huge bunches of those beautiful yellow fruits, the kind that makes your neighbors jealous and has them knocking on your door for tips. We're talking about becoming the king or queen of bananas in your neighborhood. So if you're ready to take your banana game to the next level and avoid the common pitfalls that plague even the most seasoned gardeners, then buckle up. This video is for you. Let's get started. Alright, mistake number 1 is probably the most common and the most deadly to your banana dreams: overwatering. You see, banana plants love water, but they don't want to be swimming in it 24/7. They need well-draining soil that allows excess water to escape. Think of it like this: when you're constantly drowning the roots of your banana plant, it's like trying to breathe with a wet bag over your head. Not good. The roots can't get the oxygen they need, and they start to rot. This leads to a whole host of problems like stunted growth, yellowing leaves, and eventually, a dead plant. So how do you avoid this tragic ending? Easy. Just stick your finger in the soil about an inch deep. If it feels moist, hold off on the watering. If it feels dry, give it a good soak. It's as simple as that. Mistake number 2 is all about giving your banana plants the VIP treatment they deserve. And it all starts with the soil. Bananas are hungry plants, and they need nutrient-rich, well-draining soil to grow big and strong. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. It's just not going to happen. The same goes for your banana plants. If you're trying to grow them in poor compacted soil, they're not going to reach their full potential. So, how do you create the perfect banana paradise? The key is to amend your soil with lots of organic matter like compost, worm castings, or aged manure. This will improve drainage, add essential nutrients, and create a happy home for your banana roots. Moving on to mistake number 3, and this one's all about location. Bananas are sun worshippers, and they need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day to thrive. Think of it like this: sunlight is like fuel for your banana plant. The more sunlight it gets, the more energy it has to grow those massive leaves and produce those delicious bananas. If your plant is stuck in the shade, it's like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. It's just not going to happen. So before you even think about planting your banana, take a good look at your yard and find the sunniest spot you can. Trust me, your banana plant will thank you for it. Now let's talk about those pesky pests that love to munch on your banana plants just as much as you do. Mistake number 4. Common culprits like aphids, spider mites, and mealybugs can wreak havoc on your banana plants if you're not careful. Imagine this: you've poured your heart and soul into growing the perfect banana plant, and then one day you find it covered in tiny bugs that are sucking the life out of it. Talk about a nightmare. But don't worry, there are ways to fight back. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests, and if you see any, take action immediately. You can use insecticidal soap, neem oil, or even just a strong blast of water to knock them off. The key is to be vigilant and stay one step ahead of those pesky invaders. And finally, mistake number 5 is all about giving your banana plant the fuel it needs to produce those jumbo-sized bunches: fertilization. Remember how we said bananas are hungry plants? Well, they're not kidding. Think of it like this: you wouldn't expect to run a marathon without fueling your body with the right nutrients, right? The same goes for your banana plants. They need a steady diet of essential nutrients to grow strong and produce fruit. So how do you make sure your banana plant is getting its daily dose of vitamins and minerals? Easy. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer specifically designed for fruit trees, and feed your plant regularly throughout the growing season. Your banana plant will be thanking you with an abundance of delicious fruit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Let me know in the comments below what your biggest banana growing challenge is. We're in this together. Remember, with a little bit of knowledge and a lot of love, you can grow your own incredible banana plants and enjoy the fruits, literally, of your labor. Happy growing, and see you in the next video.